Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to sell Canva templates on Gumroad and make money from your designs. First, design your template in Canva. It can be a social media post, presentation, planner, or marketing material. Make sure the design is editable and easy for buyers to use. After that, export your template as a shareable Canva link. Be sure to set it to view only or use a template link so buyers can duplicate it without changing your original design. Next, go to Gumroad and sign up or log into your account. You need an account before you can upload and sell your templates. Once you are inside your dashboard, click Add a product. Choose a digital product since Canva templates are delivered as downloadable links. In the product upload section, add your Canva template link in the download file or description. After a customer buys it, they will get the link right away. Now give your template a catchy title and write a clear description. Add preview images or mockups so buyers can see what they are getting before they buy. Next, choose your pricing. You can set a fixed price, let buyers pay what they want, or offer it for free with optional tips. Make sure the price matches the value of your template. After that, connect PayPal or your bank account in the payout settings. Gumroad will send your earnings automatically whenever someone buys your template. Finally, promote your template link on social media, design communities, blogs, and email lists. Be sure to answer buyer questions and respond to feedback because good support helps build trust and encourages repeat sales. That is how you sell Canva templates on Gumroad. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.